Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel, Victoria here, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can make a simple ribbon hair bow, whatever I choose to call it. So I've been seeing them around in fabric and also in crochet, and I thought why not. So to begin with, I am using the Chunky knitting machine, and I have this yarn that someone gave to me. It's been there, it has this design purpose, so I thought why not use it. So to begin with, you need to pull out 2 needles so that we have that edge, that corner edge, and as you knit 2 rows you keep increasing. So I did that, I kept increasing, like after every 2 rows I would increase 1 needle, after every 2 rows I would increase 1 needle until I had 10 needles, all like an increase. So I did the increases. You see that edge, the corner has come up here. So I knit it up straight. So this is also dependent on how long you want it to be or how short you want it to be. So I continued knitting. I'm working in tension 8. Yes. So I knitted straight up. So if you're here for the very first time, you can consider subscribing to this channel and being part of this community where we learn all things about knitting. Whatever is there that can be knitted, we are here to knit it. So consider becoming part of this community. Subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much. You can also follow me up on my socials, Aboki Knits on Instagram, Aboki Knits on Facebook, and Aboki Knits on TikTok. Yeah. Yes, I'm now on TikTok as well, so you can just follow me up and let us meet there. So I continued knitting. You can knit up to your desired length. Yeah, so you would see what works for you, the length that works for you. You go with that. So I think I knitted up to 100 rows. Yes, so after that I had to do the decrease so that I create that edging that I did at the beginning. So here I'll just have to transfer 1 needle to the next, knit 2 rows, transfer 1 needle to the next, knit 2 rows. So that is more of a reduction, reduce the needles. The other side we're increasing, so here we are reducing until we have only 1 needle remaining. So after every 2 rows you transfer a stitch to the next needle. After every 2 rows I transferred a stitch to the next needle. So you continue doing that until you have only 1 needle remaining. So here you just knit also, just do your 2 needles and then you pull it off. Yeah, so I went on ahead after doing this. I had to knit to iron this thing so that it straightens up. Yes, I had to iron it so that it doesn't have that curving, and when I ironed it, it was about 28 inches long. So that is how it turned out to be. Now I had to make the bit that joins the ribbon, that holds out the ribbon. You see it when I'm making it, I don't know its name. So here I pulled out just a few needles. I knitted about 12 rows. Yes, I pulled out 4 needles because it's just that joining bit in the middle. You will see how it comes up. So I'm trying to see how it comes up, and I did only 12 needles. After that you cast off. It's more like a small triangle. No, not triangle, rectangle. Yeah, it's like a small rectangle. Yes, so it's just what I did. So if you can't do this, you can roll out your yarn over the ribbon, but this is the best option I could see on how to do it. And I left just a tail that I would use to work out how to join it on the ribbon. Yeah, so go on ahead, iron your material, see how it comes out if it's for ironing. And then now to fold it up, you cut off the tails. So first fold it into 2, and then again fold the half again so that you have like 4 folds, as you can see there. And then you pick up your yarn needle and join up, like the way I'm doing it, you are stitching so that you separating the ribbon from the bows. Yeah, so when I fold it up, it will be like that. So just first do that, and then hand stitch down the ribbon onto the bows. I think you can just follow the instructions to understand what I'm doing, or you can just follow the video to understand what I'm doing, because I may not be able to explain it better, but if you can, just see what I'm doing. Yeah, and then it's more of now we are creating the bow out of this ribbon. If you have any other way of doing it, please go on ahead and do it. This is the way I could come up with this. So let me know how you will do yours. These have been so common, and I thought, why not? So after that, you pick up that piece that we knitted after, and then see how it's going to go on your ribbon. Yeah, so I would have to use that. I would have to use the tail that I left so that I can join it up. There you'll have to fix it into the yarn needle, all right, and then hold it out like the front and the front bit, and then the back where you're joining, you bring it backwards and then you join it out well, so that it has to be a bit smaller so that it curves in the ribbon. Yeah, just do that. You have to deal away with the tails that you don't need. You just cut them off, but be sure you're cutting the right tail off. So yeah, and keep joining your work together. So please subscribe. Yeah, just hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. Yes, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Yeah, so as you can see, our ribbon is just getting better and better. It's coming into shape. Yeah, and if you want to find out supporting Aboki Knits, you can give a super thanks, a super chat just below here. Yes, it's highlighted, thanks. So you can do whatever you can to support this channel, and I'll be glad. I do appreciate every one of you that goes ahead to support this channel. So now you need these, I think they're called crocodile clips. Let me know what they are called. I've forgotten, but I think they are like crocodile clips. Okay, those hair clips. So the easiest way is to attach it through. I didn't have my glue gun here, so I thought this was the best option to show you how it will be. Yeah, and you just, you can just glue it down. Yes, so you just glue it down so it fits well, or you can just fix it through the yarn like I did. And this is how it looks like. That's how it will look like after the good iron and putting the clip at the back. I mean, I just love the feel. The yarn itself, it's so nice. It feels good, but you can try it on this smaller knitting machine or the chunky knitting machine, and let me know what you think about it. Yeah, I had to give it another iron after this, so just let me know what you think. Yes, so let me try to wear it on, and you see how it is on my head. See, so that's how it looks. So let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I'll be glad to read all your comments. Be seeing you next time.